Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cute home decor using Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be making a set of 3 using the Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards. So I'm going to start by removing the plastic, and then I'm going to use a sand sheet to sand out the top part before I paint them and before I even add my vinyl. I am going to use my Cricut to cut out this home sweet home. Now you can't use stickers. Dollar Tree does carry stickers, but they're not small. And if they're small, they're too small, and the big ones are too big for this. But Walmart, Michaels, or Hobby Lobby carry stickers that you can use instead. So now I'm going to add the word home to one cutting board, sweet to the other, and then finally to the third cutting board, I will be adding the other home. Now you can leave them like this. I decided to paint over them using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now the reason I did it after is because since this is wax, it is hard to add vinyl after it. So this was easier. So this is how it looks painted with the antique wax and painted without it. Honestly, they both look okay. Now to decorate this some more, I will be making a wreath using the Dollar Tree jute wire cord and some Dollar Tree greenery. Now I started off by removing the stems from the greenery, and then with the jute cord I made like a little circle, like a wreath, I don't know what you want to call this. I then used some floral tape. The one I have here is brown, which I grabbed from Walmart. Now Dollar Tree does carry floral tape, but it's green, so honestly you can use either or. Now I started off with by sections. So I started off with this section first, and also like the floral tape I added cut small pieces, and that's how I did the sections. This is how this first section looked, which honestly I didn't like. It was too bulky. So what I ended up doing is I switched my greenery. This is also from Dollar Tree. It is a lot smaller, so I felt like this one worked better. I repeated the same thing. I wrapped them around in sections. And this is how my wreath turned out. Look how cute this looks. Now I'm going to add it to the board that says sweet using some Dollar Tree ribbon. Now to finish it off, I added some sawtooth hooks on the back, and that is it. Look how beautiful and high-end this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood wall shelf. Now, I will not be using the string or the ring. Instead, I'm going to use this square dowel that I got from Michaels. It was under $2. Another great thing that will work for this part is the Dollar Tree frames. I will be cutting two pieces that are almost 4 inches long, and I will be making four little pieces that are 1 inch. Now I'm going to paint these black, and I will be painting the shelf using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once everything's dry, I'm going to start by gluing two little small pieces on each side of the longer piece. Now for this, I'm using hot glue, but I do recommend you using wood glue. And now you have little handles, which I'm going to glue on each side, covering the little holes. Like I mentioned earlier, I do recommend you using wood glue. You can also use those little holes to add screws. Now to finish this off, I had this little sticker that I cut from my Cricut, which I'm going to add it to the corner just to decorate it a little bit. But that is it. Look how cute this decorative tray turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree piece of wood, which is actually a wood book. Now the first thing I'm going to do is measure where the center is at. Now this is supposed to be 5 inches, but as you can see, it's a little bit over 5 inches. Now I'm going to mark it, like I said, in the middle, and then on the sides I'm going to mark it 2 inches, and I will be doing that to each side. What I want to achieve from this is making a small little house. Now, once I am done marking it down, I'm going to go outside and use my jigsaw to cut this. Before I paint this, I am going to smooth out all the edges, and I will be using black paint. Once it's dry, using the same piece of senshi, I will be distressing this. I'm going to set this to the side. Now I'm going to use this little piece of round circle that I got from Michael's. It was like 59 cents. I believe Dollar Tree carries little packs with wood circles. I'm not sure. I don't remember actually. But you can always find some round circles at Michael's, Walmart, or any other craft store. I'm going to paint this using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once it was dried, I used these Dollar Tree transfer sheets. I will be adding the word gather here. Now I'm going to glue this to, I was going to say the center of my little house, but no, I'm going to glue it more towards the bottom part because I'm going to add some jute twine around my little house to decorate this. I will be making a bow using the jute twine, and I will be adding some beads at each little end of the strings. Or actually not at each, because there is going to be 4 of them, so I'm only adding 2 beads, 1 on each side. I will be gluing the bow on the corner, And you can see that this looks familiar because this is a house the Dollar Tree used to carry, or I think it still does, like towards the fall. They carry these little houses, not the one the Dollar Tree carries. It is a lot smaller. I just tried to remake it, and look how cute this turned out. And that is it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.